Welcome, fitness fans! If you've been looking for the perfect way to crush your cardio goals without turning your home into a noisy gym, you are going to love this. Today, we are taking a closer look at the MERACH Magnetic Rowing Machine, and honestly, it's a total game changer for your home fitness routine. What really makes this rower stand out is how incredibly smooth and quiet it is, thanks to its advanced magnetic resistance system. You get a fluid, consistent rowing stroke that's perfect for early morning workouts or late night sessions. You won't have to worry about waking up the rest of the house. Plus, with 16 adjustable levels of resistance, you have complete control over your intensity. Whether you are just starting your fitness journey, or you are ready to push yourself through a high-intensity interval session, designed with stability and comfort in mind, this machine features a dual slide rail system that feels exceptionally steady even when you're pulling hard. It's built to handle up to 350 pounds, giving you that solid, durable feel you usually only find in much more expensive equipment. It's also surprisingly compact. When you're done, you can easily store it away, making it a perfect fit for apartments or smaller workout spaces. The best part, you aren't doing this alone. This rower is fully app compatible, meaning you can sync it up to track your metrics in real time, join free trainer-led classes, or even immerse yourself in virtual rowing scenarios. It takes all the guesswork out of your workout and keeps you engaged, so you actually look forward to getting on the machine every day. If you are ready to build full body strength, improve your cardio, and keep your workouts fun and effective, this is the one to get. Click the link below for the best price, and let's get rowing!